UCLA engineering has been going through a period of growth, adding 50 faculty and increasing the number of we increased our number of undergraduates about 4 years ago, connected with that growth. And to make that all happen, we needed to find a dynamic leader who was able to manage that growth in that fluid environment. And so we were very fortunate to find Dean Jathy Murthy, who has led us fantastically through this period of growth, and at the same time paying attention to making sure that as we grow, we remain an institution that's dedicated to excellence in both education and research. So here's Dean Murthy.
Thank you, Rick. Welcome to all of you. We've got quite the crowd here today, I see, up there and down here. So welcome to every one of you. We've got a lot of families here from the LA area, from California generally, and of course from outside California as well. I'm happy to welcome all of you to campus. I'm told that this year we've got students from 42 different states, 52 different countries, and of course all across our beautiful state, and I'm so proud to have you all here. Regardless of where you're from, welcome to the 2019 Discover UCLA Engineering Day, and thank you for coming. Now, I want to start off by congratulating our students. Congratulations to you because of how difficult it is really to get into UCLA Engineering. You've obviously done something very right. You worked hard. You're obviously very good at what you do. And so congratulations for getting into UCLA Engineering at all. The other thing I do want to say is that your parents are a big part of your success, and I want to congratulate all the parents here. You've done something very right with your student. It's not easy to get into college at all, and engineering is difficult, and UCLA Engineering is extraordinarily selective, and so congratulations for doing what you do. Now, if you were at Bruin Day yesterday, you'll have noticed that there's a lot going on at UCLA. It's a beautiful place to be a student, and it's a wonderful place to study engineering and computer science. And I don't know if you've had a look, but if you had a chance, you'd have seen our brand new Engineering 6 building in our engineering complex. You'll certainly see it today. We've got a new 9,000 square foot maker space, and you'll have also seen, and you'll also go, if you haven't seen it already, to see the room where the first internet message was sent 50 years ago this year. So this is a very special place indeed. Now, let me give you, from a dean's perspective, a bird's eye view of everything that's happening here at UCLA Samuel Lee School of Engineering. You'll find that every professor and every student here is dedicated to excellence. We've got a deep conviction that anything is possible. We are collaborative, we're entrepreneurial, and we are fearless in what we do. We're here to pass knowledge from one generation to the next and to provide our engineers with the training, the tools, and the experience that they need to be successful. We all know, UCLA engineers particularly know, that engineering is a team sport. The only way you're going to build a bridge or safely land a rocket on Mars or develop a new piece of software is through a group of individuals coming together, working together. And from the very first class that you will take here as a student, you will learn to succeed by helping others succeed. And our collective goal is nothing short of solving the greatest challenges of the 21st century, challenges in healthcare, in urban sustainability, computers and networking, and many, many more. Now, this can-do attitude is something that you'll find in the DNA of the university, and we certainly have it in spades in UCLA Engineering. Simply put, we seek to engineer change. That's a theme that you'll see more and more as you spend time on our campus here today, because it sums up everything that we see as the role of our school for our students, for our local community, and for society at large. That's the big picture about UCLA Samuel Lee, but of course, today we are focused on your immediate future, that is college life here at UCLA. Some of what you might have, some of you, of course, you've been through this whole process of trying to make a decision. I know you're thinking hard. Some of you have been very systematic about it. You've got spreadsheets examining all the different attributes of the different schools. You've got a bit of AI going on the side. Yeah, I know, admit it. If you're doing it, it's completely fine. Some of you will choose purely based on a gut feeling, and all of that is completely fine. But regardless of the method that you choose to make your decision, there are, I think, important questions that you really should ask yourself. You should ask yourself, will I thrive here? Will I feel at home here? Where will I be supported and challenged to grow as a student, as a person? And where will I best be able to follow my passion? Where will I meet fellow students whose passions are the same as mine and who will become lifelong friends and colleagues? We can't answer those personal questions for you. I do hope you'll find the answers as you explore UCLA engineering today. But we can answer just about everything else about our school and UCLA. You'll have plenty of time to conduct your research, talk to our faculty members, talk to them about the classes they teach, why they teach them, talk to them about their research, what they're excited about. Our staff members will provide you information on services, how to register for classes, how to confirm financial aid, just about everything else. And our current students will give you lots of information about life at UCLA, what their experience here has been. They're just a few years ahead of you, so they've been through it all, and you can get very, very good information from them. We're all available this morning. I certainly am going to be hanging around campus. And so if you see me, feel free to stop me and ask me any questions that you have. And of course, connect to each other. All of you prospective students, talk to each other, introduce yourself, because many of you will be in classes together this fall. So we are a great school in large part because of our students, and you're going to be a part of our student body soon, I hope. And so we are delighted to have you all here. Welcome to UCLA, and go Bruins!
Thank you, Dean Murthy.